Customer support is part of your product. It's part of fulfillment. It is vitally important that you take care of people after they've made a purchase or right before. In the beginning, we did everything via email. We set up a dedicated email address, help@scorchmarker.com, and that's where everybody was directed to. It was on our website, it was on the packing slips, it was in our tracking emails for shipping, it was everywhere. We also had Facebook and Instagram. Every comment, every message is potentially customer support. So where do we start? That's what I want to talk about in this video, where I started and what it looks like now, so you can have an idea of the systems that you'll need and what needs to be in place to take care of people. To be completely honest with you, you can get to mid 7 figures, 4, 5, 6 million a year just with email support. It can totally work. Let me share with you what we've done. We use a system called Gorgias. What you'll see in front of me is the Gorgias dashboard. We've set it up in a way where it captures all of the email addresses that we use for support and also our Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok messages. All of those will come into Gorgias so I can have my customer service person, Nikki, handle all of it. When there's something in here that only I can answer, she'll send me the ticket and I'll answer the ticket. If you see right here where it says My Tickets, these are all the ones that she shared with me. If you look here at Open, these are all the tickets that have come in since she last checked. You'll see there's Facebook comments, there's email messages, and what's really great about it is that when you click on this person, you can see what they've purchased from your store. It integrates with Shopify. So you'll be able to see, oh man, okay, I've got their address, I know what they ordered, I can click on their order, I can literally create an order inside this software, so I can respond to tickets, I can forward them to other people and copy paste messages. I can even set up macros so that when I type the letter M, it will auto respond with a pre-populated message. You can tag things in certain ways and move them around and set up all kinds of automations to make customer service easier on you. I'm showing you this because it allowed us to amplify our reach via customer support. Gorgias is a pretty cool software and I like it. It's a little expensive, a few $100s a month, so it doesn't make sense to use until you're at least, beyond $40,000, $50,000 a month in sales, but it can be a great tool for you, especially because it plugs into all your socials and whatnot. At the very least, it could relieve some of the friction and pressure that you're dealing with by answering all of the emails yourself.
If you don't have a separate business bank account, you need to get it done. The IRS does not like it when you mix all your money together. We keep things separate by having a business bank account and a personal bank account. Now, to open a business bank account, all you'll need is your LLC paperwork and your EIN paperwork. Those two things will allow you to get a free business checking account with Relay. Why Relay? They're by far my favorite bank. And I have accounts with more than 11 different places. I've tried a lot because I was looking for one that fit all of the things that I needed. I needed to be able to send checks and wire transfers and ACH and open multiple accounts and deposit and connect to QuickBooks and all the stuff that we need in a banking platform. Not only that, but they're the official Profit First banking platform, and it's so much easier to manage that system. So as soon as I found these guys, I reached out and I said, hey, we've got to do something together. More people need to know about you because this is incredible. And that's why I'm making this video. So I can tell you about a banking platform that's been an absolute game changer for us. It is my primary banking platform now. I've shifted everything over to it and I couldn't be happier. And the best part is that if I need somebody, I can call them or I can email them and they'll answer me. Try doing that with one of the bigger banks. Won't work. So if you want to open up a free business checking account with Relay, click the link below, fill out the application, and within a day or so, you should be approved and you'll be good to go. Even if you already have a business bank account, it's a good idea to have a backup. So give them a shot, try them out, and see firsthand why they've become my new favorite business banking platform.
In the beginning, it's most likely going to be just you answering emails and DMs. Eventually, when you have the money to hire the staff, you can use software like Gorgias to plug into Shopify and have everything at your fingertips, which will allow you to be a little bit more efficient. Either you get the software and get more efficient, or you hire somebody to take care of it for you. Those are like the two options we're faced with when customer support starts to become too much and overwhelming. I used to believe that I was above customer service. I used to believe that I was too busy and too important to have conversations with my customers, to help them with their tracking or replacing their damaged items or getting their feedback or supporting them. I've got important things to do. I'm the owner of the business. I'm the CEO. I've got all these other things. I should not be spending my time with the customers. I was very wrong. In fact, it hurt our business because I was so out of touch. Customer support is vital to understanding the problems of your people. If you don't talk to them, how are you going to know what's going on? How are you going to know what to fix on your product and what to improve? You won't. And I didn't. And it hurt us. And our business didn't do as well as it could have because I thought I was above customer support. There's nothing more honorable than taking care of your customers as the owner of your business. The owner of Shopify, he still talks to individual customers regularly. He's there for them and he makes it known that he is, and we see him and we feel seen and heard because he's there. Please don't be like me. Please take a customer first approach and serve them in any way that you can. I don't care if it's just Facebook groups and getting back to every comment and DM, or if it's painstakingly answering every email. It is worth your time, and every single person that reaches out is a human, and you can touch them, you can help them, you can serve them, you can make their life better. I challenge you to do that. This is the software that I use to make it a little bit easier. And there are varying levels of software beyond this if you need the help. But with Gorgias and a couple key customer support reps, you'd be surprised how far you can go. I'll leave a link for Gorgias underneath this video. Please don't make the same mistakes that I did and ignore your customers. Please serve them, please support them, please take care of them. I promise you, it will help you build brand, which is goodwill, and it will help you make more sales and build longer lasting relationships, which is what we need to have a healthy, thriving brand. You got this. If you like this video, there's a lot more where that came from. I have put together some incredible trainings, frameworks, scripts, and everything else you might need to make content effortless so you can have more followers and make more sales, just like these members right here. Click the link below and you'll have instant access to everything. I'll see you on the new members call.